Teckie Share, your online classroom. Welcome to Angular tutorial. In this tutorial you are going to create one application using Angular. For the first step will be setup. For that I am just opening my browser. In this I am going to type angular.io. It is the official website for Angular. It will navigate to the website. So I'm just opening the starter page. So here they have mentioned how to set up Angular in your machine. I am just zooming. The first step will be Node.js. Node.js is required for Angular. So for that I am going to install Node.js in my machine. I am just opening the URL which is mentioned here. I am just downloading the latest stable version. Maybe the version will be changed at the time of your installing. Once it's getting downloaded, I am going to install. It takes some time to compute your system. Once it's getting ready, we are going to install. Wait. Yeah, it was ready. I am going to install. Please do the step which I am doing now. You will install Node.js in your machine. Once it is installed, we'll check the Node.js in your like you have to verify whether the Node.js installer in your machine or not. Yeah, it was installed, so I'm going to check the node version for verifying node. For that I'm just opening command prompt using cmd. In that I'm going to type node space -v. It will return Node.js current version. Yeah, I have successfully installed Node.js in my system. Angular CLI apps depends on the features like some functionality, some libraries which is available in Notepad managers, nothing but npm. So for that npm we need to install. By default Node.js installed npm in your machine. Anyway, I am going to check whether the npm is installed in your machine or not. For that I am just verifying the version of npm. I am just copying the content npm space -v. So I am just typing npm space -v. If it is installed, mean it will return the version. Yeah, successfully it was installed. So the first step will be over. The next step will be you have to install Angular CLI in your local machine. Angular CLI is nothing but your scaffolding for Angular app. So it will help us to create a project and generate application in library code. So I am just copying the content here. I have pasted the content into my CMD for installing the Angular CLI in my machine. Here they have referred -g, right? So it's a global flag. Why I'm referring here means I'm going to install Angular CLI globally in my machine. It was installed. So I'm just verifying whether Angular is installed or not. For that I'm just typing Angular version. Yeah, it was installed. It was written the Angular current version. The current version will be 7.3.8. Maybe it may vary at the time of you are installing. The next step will be we need to install IDE for Angular project. So there are a lot of IDE referred in Angular resource pages like Angular IDE by Webpablix and IntelliJ. It's one of the most popular IDE, Visual Studio Code, WebStorm, like that. There are a lot of IDE will be there. For that here in this project I am using only Visual Studio Code. Why? Because it was lightweight and it consumed very less memory and the user friendly. The interface also too easy. So for that I am just going to install Visual Studio Code. It's my personal experience. I'm just preferring this. So I'm just opening the official website for Visual Studio Code. So in this I'm just download for my Windows application. It will take some time. Once it's getting download, we are going to install. Please do the step which I am doing now. You will install your Vscode in your machine. It takes some time. As of now, we didn't touch about anything Vscode. We will cover in later video. We are just preparing everything for our application. Okay, I am just verifying the Vscode is installed or not. Yeah, it was installed. So we have done everything. So now, right now, we are going to create one project. For that, I am just typing ng new. My project name will be my first app. So it will generate my application. So for that, it required asking the question Angular routing. So as of now, just neglect this. I am going to click yes. I am just selecting the CSS. We will cover these things later in the video. So it takes some time to install in your create the project. Yeah, it was created. So now I'm going to switch the folder. Now, right now I'm just starting the server for using ng serve -o, nothing but open. So it will deploy and start your Angular application. It takes some time. Once it's successfully started means automatically the browser will open. So let me see. Almost completed. So yeah, it was completed. So the browser will automatically open. Let's see. Yeah, successfully you are deployed your application. Congratulations, you are created your first application using Angular. So we will cover all the topics in later videos. Still you have any doubts or if you're facing any issues, please leave the comment. By the way, this is Manikandan signing off. Have a happy coding.